Hi, I'm Macy with SwipeSum. As many of you know, the payments industry is not very friendly to its outsiders. There's a lot of lingo, jargon, and common terms that most of us don't know. When I first got involved with the payments industry, I struggled to understand the common language of payments. I don't want you to have to go through that, so we're going to take the stress off of you and help you better understand these terms. By the end of this video, I hope you'll be able to hold your own in any conversation with a payments expert. Let's take a look at some of the terms you might need to know. We'll put timestamps in the comments below, so if you're looking for any specific topic, check those out. Let's start with the simplest term in payments, a merchant. A merchant is anyone who sells goods and needs to accept payment in exchange. When a merchant accepts payments, these funds are transferred to an acquiring bank or an acquirer. The merchant has an account at the acquiring bank known as a merchant account. Any customer who buys goods from a merchant is commonly known as a cardholder. A cardholder has an account with an issuing bank, otherwise known as an issuer. Issuing banks provide cards to customers that work on certain card networks, such as Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Anytime a customer swipes their credit card, there are a number of fees that you, as the merchant, are responsible for. The first and largest fee is known as interchange. Simply put, interchange is the cost of completing a transaction. These rates are set by the issuing banks and card networks. The second fee you can expect on any transaction is the processor markup fee. Processor markup fee is a static dollar amount on every transaction. These usually range from 5 cents to 30 cents per transaction. It just depends on your processor. Processor markup fees are set by your processor and come in two parts. First is a per transaction percentage. This is usually quoted using a term called basis points. A basis point is 1/100th of a percent or 0.01%. For example, if your processor quotes you at 10 basis points, you can expect to pay 0.10% on every transaction for the processor markup fee. When it comes to processor markup fees, you're generally going to pay both a percentage and a static dollar amount per transaction. As a merchant, there are many tools you will use to run your business. The first of those is a point-of-sale system, commonly known as a POS. A point-of-sale system allows you to manage your inventory and helps facilitate payments both online and in-store. When your point-of-sale system needs to connect with your processor, you can use a payment gateway. A payment gateway is responsible for collecting card data, keeping it safe, and sharing it between the point-of-sale and the processor. No matter what software or gateway you use, payment setup must be compliant with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or commonly known as PCI DSS. The PCI DSS is a set of guidelines to ensure that your customer's card info is safe. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, you can click here, or to watch more videos, click here.
Perfect.